Hello and welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are diving into a car that, well, doesn't officially exist yet. It's kind of like a ghost in the machine, but the whispers around it are sending some serious shockwaves through the auto world. We're talking about a rumored, all-electric, high-performance beast from BMW. And trust me, the leaked details are absolutely wild. If you like our content, go ahead and hit that like button. Okay, let's just get right to the number that's blowing everyone's mind. Over 800 horsepower. Yeah, you heard that right, in a crossover. And it's all electric. So the big question is, could this actually be the next chapter for the iconic X4M? The rumors are pointing to a massive yes, and that signals a radical new direction for what it even means to be a BMW M car. But, to really get why this is such a huge deal, we need to rewind a little bit. Because the gas-powered X4 that we all knew, well, it's gone. Production stopped, and that left a pretty big void in BMW's lineup. But it really looks like that wasn't an ending, just a dramatic pause before a complete and total reinvention. Yup, exactly. The second-generation X4 took its final bow last November. But now, spy shots and some very juicy insider leaks are revealing its all-electric successor, the iX4. And look, this isn't just another EV. The real story, the part that's getting everyone excited, is the promise of a full-throttle, high-performance M version coming right on its heels. And get this, the leaks didn't just drop a bombshell about the power, they also gave us a surprisingly detailed production timeline. It's almost like a treasure map, showing us exactly when these new electric warriors are going to hit the streets. So here's the breakdown. The old model officially ended last November. Then, this coming November, the new standard iX4, its codename is NA7 by the way, is going to start rolling off the line at BMW's brand new plant in Debrecen, Hungary. And then, the main event. 1 year later, November of next year, the monstrous iX4M is set to join the party. All right, so the timeline is set. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the power. And we're not talking about a small step up here. No. This is a quantum leap, and the rumored numbers are just staggering. First, let's set the baseline. The standard iX4 will likely share its guts with the new iX3. That means a dual-motor setup that's going to pump out a very, very respectable 463 horsepower. And let's be real, for a base model, that's already enough to get your heart racing. But hold on, because BMW is just getting warmed up. Before we even get to the top-tier M model, we're going to see an M-badge version probably called the iX3 M60 later this year. Word on the street is that it's going to crack the 600 horsepower mark. I mean, that's impressive for sure, but believe it or not, that's not even the main event. And here it is, the number that just changes everything. When the true iX4M lands next year, the rumor is it'll be packing over 800 horsepower. To put that in perspective, the current X4M competition, which is already a ferocious machine, has about 500 horsepower. This isn't just an upgrade, it's like jumping into a whole different dimension of performance. So how on earth are they pulling this off? Well, the secret is a quad-motor setup, one motor for each wheel. But this isn't just about raw, straight-line power, it's about control. This system allows for something called torque vectoring, which means the car can send the perfect amount of power to each individual wheel instantly. So let's just pull back for a second and look at the big picture. If these leaks are true, what does this all mean for the future of BMW's legendary M division? I mean, this is a brand that was forged in the fire and fury of gasoline engines. So what happens when that fire gets replaced by lightning? It's really the question on every enthusiast's mind, right? Is this the new blueprint for M? Is a quad-motor, 800-plus horsepower EV the new definition of the ultimate driving machine? This potential iX4M could be way more than just a new model. It could be a powerful declaration that the electric future is going to be anything but quiet and boring. Only time and an official announcement from BMW will tell for sure. Stay tuned for more automotive news, and goodbye.